I'm going to show you how I'm going to merge a pull request and then deploy it to our server on AWS, and then show you what it is. So these are updates to display the Mollly traits on our website. These are going to be for people who have testnet cats. So I'm getting really close, and I'll be contacting ones that donated, a lot of testnet to me, which really helps us out. All right, so let me open up GitHub here, and I need to merge it. To master. All right, looks good. And then I'm going to go to VS Code and do a git fetch, and it should show that there's an update. There it is from the branch that I pushed over. Then I'm going to pull it down. And then we're going to deploy this. I think you're going to get tired of seeing me deploying this stuff because it takes a while. I guess, it's not super long, but you're just watching the screen go, waiting for it to finish without any errors. So what I have to do is I log into the Mollly Match account. This time I'm actually just screen sharing my entire monitor. It's a little bit easier because if I just use the browser option, it doesn't let me input, like I can't paste stuff into it, which is really annoying. So I'm sharing my monitor. The hard part about that is like it slows down my computer a little bit, I think. I guess we'll find out soon when I start using it. But what I have to do is I have to go to mollymatch.com and go to the Molly's directory, and then I paste in a TX ID that we already have from testnet. Okay, so it went ahead and it went through. So this is the big test. We'll see if this, make sure this this at least comes up, and that I can, what I'm going to do is log out first and just make sure that that part works, so that people can log back in. Okay, that works. Then this will be the big test here. I'm going to click on Kitty Corner just to see if it will show that part. Okay, so that's going to show it. And let's see, I think it's Molly's. Paste in the TX ID. Here we go. It works. Okay, so the it looks like crap, but that's fine. We'll fix that later. My friend, Exit will be the one that will be making this look very pretty. So here is the Mollly name. Mollly name is when you when you buy your Mollly, you're gonna name your Mollly. And this is my user handle. So when you're selling your Mollly or trading with somebody or just showing it off, that's the user handle associated. That's going to be public. This is a TX ID, and eventually I'm going to make a link that will go to what's on chain, a blockchain, or Explorer. I think there's another one, and maybe I can put both in there. And here's the traits. Right now it's just JSON data, so you can see it has, the type of body is normal. So like this image right here is not it. This is an older image. We have the artist, she's really cool. She made a really cute update that has, you know, I like the newer line art. It's very slick looking. This one's a girl. And you see it says female. So I can show you a little bit on the blockchain explorer. So we're gonna test that what's on chain. And I want to make another video to show you what all this stuff is in here. It's a little confusing, but you see the MSC name right here. That is the wallet, the testnet wallet that we use. We call it the Mollly Fund bucket because with a Genesis cat, that money goes towards that, not to the user. But all the other Mollys, that money goes back to the user. And here's the op return that has all the data. And let's make sure it says female. So it's 1, which means female. If it says 0, that would be male. Everything's one, you know, zeros and ones for, you know, yes and no, or, you know, what the choices are. It gets a little confusing because it's following how, you know, like how genetics work. And I'll try to have a different type of, I'll have it, you know, a video about that down the road. Excuse me. This is that 1E-8, that means 1 sat. So we're paying for the unspent, the UTXO, the unspent transaction. I shouldn't have clicked on that. So but when I click on that, it just shows all the transactions of that wallet. And I guess if you're bored, you can look at that wallet and see all the stuff that we have been working on, and then all of the cats that exist on the testnet. And then that money goes back into here, and you can see our balance of you know, of BSV. But yeah, I'm glad that this works. I'm really excited. And so here you can see it says share. You can share your Mollly, like on Twitter. And then match is when you'll choose the cats that you own, or when you're looking at someone else's, you know, page when you're trying to get the trades.